What if you left me? What if they killed me? I am over. What if they killed me? What if I died? See me here now. Opportune to worship you again. Why won't I worship? Why won't I prostrate? Why won't I kneel? Do you know what God has done? Your neighbor may not know, but you know better. Your neighbor may not know, but you know better. You understand what he has done. It's beyond man worship. It's the King of Kings we are talking about. He's the Lord of Lords we are talking about. Aruba Ojo, Aruba Ojo, Azina Bella 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 Bella. That's what I call him. That's what I call him. That's what I call him. Don't be ungrateful this evening, no. Don't be too boastful or prideful. This is God we're talking about. I thank God for those who are praying, who are broken already. Things are already happened. Because when you thank him for the little he has done, he will give you more. There are dimensions in God you have to get to. Don't be distracted. Focus and worship Jesus. It's beyond music. It's not about a song, it's about your heart. Can you worship wherever you are? Can you worship Jesus? So you are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Shammah.